Alright guys, namaste, Beref, Ndiepi, Sonbonani. Alright. Okay guys, we have a parcel now. Let's see what we have. Beref, namaste, Ndiepi. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we have. This is from home. Sambonela. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. A repair note. A repair note is very important. Okay, so from now on, I think I'm gonna flame my repair notes, my frames. Yeah. We have a wall of my repair notes. We have a wall of my repair notes. I know sound crazy, but very marketing I'm flying. No one does understand it, even I myself. I don't really understand my marketing, but we're gonna have a wall with the frames. We'll buy the cheapest frames ever, even if they're 15 rand, whatever the case. But we must have a thing. Not waste. I'm struggling to log into my laptop and access my files and data. When I turn it to display automatic repair on the screen, the laptop was very slow. One screen handle is broken and dislocated. The laptop has a low storage. Left and right clicks are not working. Make it fast. Replace and repair the handle. Increase the RAM to 8 gig or 16 if possible. Repair the right and left button. Let's do it. Yeah. No, actually, I'll frame this. You have a nice wall. Okay, so guys, with this one, it's super slow. Obviously, this means the hard drive is faulty. Over time, hard drives they do get super slow. So you have to use the SSD. And again, he is saying the right and the left. This is the hinge. So meaning is the hinge. The hinge needs to be done, needs to be repaired. Guys, to access this, you just remove the keyboard. Anyway, you see, first step is the keyboard. I've been telling my boy that we have to know how to deassemble and then assemble. You know why? It's very important to save time and be quick as possible. Be quick as possible. To save time. So if you know how to assemble and deassemble very fast, I can guarantee you won't waste any time. I keep one, but I'm going to keep it fast and keep one. Powder there. Okay, so it means we're gonna need an SSD here, and then the client will pay, because we have a problem of people bringing in stuff and then leaving them here for a month, and then with us now our money is sitting there. Yeah, but so now the thing that I have now, people have to pay first. We need to eat their money first. I think it's much more better if we eat their money than them wasting our money. Okay, first thing first, there's no screw here. We need a screw for this side. Screws. We need a screw for the side, even for here, and I believe this would be perfectly fine. What about here? Here seems to be fine. We just need another screw here. Oh, okay, and again, okay. I'll be chopping these ones. This is a pele. Want yeah. Yo, guys, I made a mistake. Do you know a mistake of a mistake of another mistake? Don't you have a mixed powder done? Yeah. Don't you have a mixed powder or something? I don't think so. Alright, let me wear this anti-static wrist. Okay. Okay, the reason why this machine is running slow, it's obvious. It's the hard drive. So we'll have to replace the hard drive with an SSD. Then we are good to go. So I'll write down the total amount so that the client will have a code and then pay 50% of the money. We do the job and then he pays again. And guys, I'm pretty sure you know the SSDs very expensive now. The price of the SSDs went very high, guys. We don't have the SSDs these days. The SSDs are expensive these days, yo. So it means I need this. I believe the hinge is fine now. The hinge is perfectly fine. And then he complained about the right and the thing, the mouse not clicking. Oh, but it's working, mouse. Oh, this guy is playing with us. Yeah, so I've removed the hard drive, and then we're gonna do a backup of his information. Remember, he needs his information, so we can't just go ahead and then install a new thing. I think we do understand that more than anything, he needs his information. That's very, very important. The information is needed here more than anything. So we can't go around and do some mistakes. The information is needed. Let me repeat this again. The information is needed. Connect the battery. Yeah, the hinge is fine. Okay, one down is the hinge, obvious. And then let's put back the keyboard. I won't put back the screws. Remember, we have to open this machine again. Put everything again. So guys, I'm done. There was nothing much to do here. So what I can advise is that we have to be careful of the information. So we're gonna read this hard drive using an external, the one connected on my desktop. We'll do a backup, and then we're gonna reinstall an operating system. We're gonna increase the RAM. We're gonna do whatever that he wants. Okay. Here we're gonna put his name. I believe it's me and Kululeo, so I doubt that he will go and then format or take Line's hard drive. I don't think he will do that, right? You won't do that. Done.